Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight my wife is not coming back for dinner. That's why I'm going to cook something that I like but she don't like. So I'm cooking for 2 persons only today, only me and my mother-in-law. This is my favorite fish. This is the one that she doesn't like, Chinese pomfret here. I have one small medium-sized Chinese pomfret here cut into cutlets, and I have a few pieces of prawns here and some sliced ginger, fresh coriander, pre-cooked white rice, tong choy, this is white pepper, some fried shallot, and some salt. I'm going to make Teochew seafood porridge. Very, very simple. It'll be done within 10 minutes. First thing you need to do is actually pre-boil some stock. So usually I prefer to use ikan bilis anchovies because it's very, very easy and very fast. I only boil I put the anchovies into a small tea bag and boil it together with a few pieces of ginger and also fresh coriander roots for like about 5 minutes. Good enough. No need to boil long time. If you boil it very long for using your ikan bilis, your soup can become very, very fishy. Yeah. Then I also put in few pieces of tong choy inside. Now I'm going to add in the rice. So this is the difference between Teochew porridge and also Cantonese porridge. Cantonese porridge, you can't really see the rice anymore. It's fully melted, but Teochew porridge, you can still see the rice. Next thing, I'm going to put in the seafood. You can put in any seafood that you have. Usually the best combination is Chinese pomfret with some prawns. Of course, I have prepped the prawns. Yeah, I did not devein it because this prawn is not very big. I only removed the leg and the pointy part. Then, of course, you need to season the porridge with some salt, a few dashes of white pepper. For those who have the premium Vietnamese fish sauce, you can put it in. Cook it for about 1 minute, 2 minutes, then it is basically done. That's how simple it is. Just cook until the seafood is fully cooked. Yeah, the prawn will take about 2-3 minutes lah. The fish about 1-2 minutes. And this is super, super yummy, let me tell you, seriously. For enhanced flavor, fried shallot and fried shallot oil. Right, this is after about coming to 3 minutes. You can see the prawn, everything all fully curled up. Definitely fully cooked. And it's already done. Of course, you can adjust to taste using some salt and sugar if you like, yeah? Let me show you. Look at how beautiful it is. Okay, I'm going to show you how we serve. So I have a bowl here. Right, so this is the seafood porridge. Got to put some freshly cut ginger, some fresh coriander, give it a little bit more fried shallot, and few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is to make a Teochew seafood porridge at home, seriously. Most important thing is the seafood that you use. It must be very, very fresh. Okay, so if you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.